Our Positively Everything Storage Boxes are a great organizational tool that you can use in your craft room as well as on the go for organizing and storing many of your favorite crafting products. In this video, I'm going to show you not only how to assemble the Positively Everything Storage Boxes, but I'm also going to show you some of the unique ways that you can use these to be able to organize your craft supplies. When you get your Positively Everything Storage Boxes, they're going to be partially folded flat, and they come in a pack of 3. After assembling, your box will look like this. The boxes are a generous size. They're 5.5 by 6.25 with 2 inches of depth, which means you can hold a lot of stuff in these boxes. And they're clear, so you can see what's inside. When you get your Positively Everything Storage Boxes, you're going to receive an insert in the packaging. And this is great because you can use this as a guide for the assembly. But we're also going to go through the assembly here in this video so you can actually visually see this box put together. It's really simple and easy to do. Your box is already going to come with some of the folds of the box already pre-folded. The other flaps you're going to need to go ahead and crease. So on each fold line that is not already folded, you're going to want to go ahead and crease all those folds. There are folds on the top, the bottom, and the sides that you're going to need to make sure you fold over. This is just going to help make the assembly a lot easier when you pre-fold everything, so that way it all has a nice crisp edge to it. After all the creases have been folded over, we're going to open the box back up and we're going to bring the 2 sides of the box into the middle. Next, we'll bring the bottoms of the 2 sides up so that they're lined up with the sides of the box, and we'll bring the bottom all the way up so that it forms both the bottom and the front. And then you'll notice these little tabs, these slip into the little oval shaped slits that are on the front of the box. That secures the front and the base, and then finally you can close the box by slipping the final tab into the last slit. Look how simple and easy that was to put together. Very easy. You have a nice, sturdy, compact box. And the best part is that this is clear, so you're going to be able to see everything that you store inside. In addition to our Positively Everything Storage Boxes, we've also developed our Positively Everything Clear Pockets. These pockets are sized to fit any of your 4.25 by 5.5 inch pieces such as sentiment strips, watercolor cards, and more. And after you've organized your products inside the pockets, the storage boxes fit these pockets beautifully. So that way, when you're organizing something like our Simon Says Stamp sentiment strips, you can have a sleeve for every single strip pack, and then you can organize them all together inside of the box so you don't lose anything. Same thing goes for our watercolor cards. You can put an entire set of Susie's watercolor cards inside of our clear pockets, and then those can slip inside of our Positively Everything box as well. You could even slip markers inside with your watercolor cards and take this with you on the go. Maybe you're traveling for the weekend and you want to take some coloring with you. This would be a great thing to slip inside your suitcase. Our Simon Says Stamp blending brushes also fit inside these boxes really nicely. I like to stick mine both top and bottom alternated inside of the box, just so that way they fit a little bit easier and not all of the bristles are going to be hitting each other, which might contaminate each one with different colors of ink. So I can organize my brushes in here, and I could take this with me if I was traveling to go to a retreat or a crop. And because these boxes are made from a clear plastic, they're easy to clean. As you can see, our Positively Everything Storage Boxes are great for storing many of your favorite crafting products. And each pack of our Positively Everything Storage Boxes comes with 3 boxes. So even if you purchase just one of these packs, you're already going to get yourself started on your organization. Going back to how much that these boxes can hold, if you have a 12-pack of Susie's watercolor cards, you could fit 8 of those 12-pack sets inside of a Positively Everything storage box. When it comes to our Simon Says Stamp sentiment strips, you could fit upwards to 20 of our sentiment strip packs inside of just one of these Positively Everything boxes. So there's a lot that these boxes can hold. They're a great, inexpensive organizational tool that will provide you a lot of great uses, not just in the craft room, but also when you travel to craft. So I hope that this video has shown you a great look at this new product, part of our Simon Says Stamp exclusive collection. This is the Pawsitively Everything Storage Boxes. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you were inspired. Please be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. And if you're interested in purchasing one of these Pawsitively Everything Storage Boxes, be sure to check out the link below the video for more information. Until next time, friends, we hope you have a very wonderful day.